And we are very lucky that every time she comes here, I can't say much about her. You know, everybody knows who is her Gigi. I pass on to her. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for keeping quiet. Now I can really talk. You can hear me from behind, everybody? Yeah? Then put your hands up. અને જેને નથી સાંભળતું હજી પાસ આવી જાઓ. Bring your chair here, bring your chair here. Come closer if you like. હવે પણ નથી આવતું? Okay. So please bring your chairs closer. Come closer. If you feel you can't hear me, come here. Come here wherever. Don't miss even 1 minute of this lecture because it can really help you a lot, yeah? If you have any kind of issue in life or if you're lost in anything, I'm sure you'll find yourself. Come closer and don't be shy to accommodate somewhere closer. Yes? Anybody wants to come closer and you can't hear, do it now. Everybody okay?
Yes.
Should we start?
Yeah.
So Ranjan Ben has not said the topic yet. સંભળાય છે રંજનબેન? How many of you remember the subject today? આજે શું subject છે? What power?
Power to...
Who said that? Please put your hand up. Power of choice. Isn't it? Tell me one thing. I can't speak in full Gujarati, but थोड़ी મને પણ આવડે. I could listen to all the gossip. મને મજા આવે. બહુ મજા આવે. Okay, but I think we go beyond gossip today. What is power of choice? Why are you here? બહુ ઇન્ટરેક્ટિવ છે. હું એકલી વાત નથી કરવાની. તમને પણ મારા સાથે બોલવાનું છે. તમે why are you in this session? Quick. Power. Okay, more. Whose power? Very good. And more. Tell me more. Be loud. And what else? Why are you here? Everybody is not interested. Tell me your reason to be here. To make life better. Okay. And what else? When you heard the subject power of choice, तो तुम्हारा मन में શું આવ્યું? What came to your mind when you said power of choice?
From universe.
No, when I said, they said power of choice, yeah?
Look how to control your mind and body.
Tell me more.
You made the choice to come here.
Yeah. You made the choice to come here, isn't it? That means you know you want goal. Okay. Yeah. How many times in your life, if you finish talking then answer, how many times in your life did you have a time when you really needed to make a choice? But what we did, when we have to make the choice, we bring up a friend, phone a friend, 4 options in that crorepati ma, millionaire ma, call the friend, ask the audience poll, ask the expert. Then we ask 4 people, then we do something else. So many times in life, do you know why you have asked for a choice? Have you ever thought, are you not capable of making that choice?
Yes.
You are, isn't it? You believe that you are. But why were you asking people? You know why we ask? Because we want to blame somebody in case I fail.
Yes.
Every time you want to ask somebody, and the best thing is you will ask your bhabhi, your nanan, your saas, the friend who is jealous of you, you think is that friend is jealous, you will ask, હું શું કરું? પછી બધાના સામે એ તો એમ જ કહે. And then you will do what you have to do, but you will still blame them. એને તો મને આમ કીધું હતું. કીધું હતું કે નહીં? You only take somebody's choice because you want to blame somebody. You know why? Because we don't like our own responsibility to make our own choices. And when we make our own choices, people say, बहुत selfish है. हमने कहीं पूछे ही नहीं. Right or wrong? You keep on telling me right or wrong. I keep on asking. Why are you checking you're not sleeping in the class? अभी चाय बिस्किट खाओ मजा में इसको वाली रहती है. You have to be awake, yeah? So whenever you make a choice, what do? We ask all other people who have done some like this. The best part is you ask somebody who has nothing to do with your subject, who has never experienced a disease, who has never experienced inconvenience, any experiences nothing, but you will go and ask them, "Who should come?" It is so cover. Ask yourself, whom are you asking? What should I choose in my life? Do you know how many people know why are you here in this world? Put your hands up quickly. How many people know why are you in this world? Are you here only for cooking? How many are you only for cooking? Are you here only for marriage? Are you here only for making children and babies? Are you here only for to be just entertaining? No, isn't it? Are you here only for working? You're working and making money? Then why are you here? Come on. You decided, right? Then.
For your karma.
Describe good. Describe good. તમે સારા કરો પછી તમને બધે કંઈ ક્રિટિસાઇઝ કરે એ લોકો તો ના કે નો this is good. You do good things, you believe. Then why people criticize you and say this is not good? You said good karma. Are you here only for karma? Then tell me why you are here. I'm here so that I let you choose properly according to why you're here. Why do dying people fear? As you're growing old, why is there so much insecurity in us? Why do we fear disease? Ekla mari jai to, even I have gone through this. I understand what you feel. That is why I'm here. You understand? We have a purpose in life. All of us. We didn't come here to eat, make, sleep, date, cook. We've not come here that. You have to understand one thing. You have come in this body. This body already has an expiry date. Everybody knows this. We have an expiry date. So whenever you say, "Oh my God, my skin is bad," that means only your skin is bad. You are not bad. Why? Because you are in the body. You are completely untouchable. You are completely untouchable. Nobody can touch you. It's only the body which spoils. That means if you could spoil the body, you can also rectify it. You can also, what is this power which allows us to change our life or completely transform ourselves into? We cannot die just like this by eating, dating, working, cleaning the kitchen and being an OC. We can't die like this. You have to do something about yourself because this is your jackpot life. Only human being has this power where you can go to a greater purpose of life. Means you must have been a cat, dog, rat, you must have done all that. But in that life you couldn't do anything, yeah? You were just a subject. You had to eat what was given, you will struggle to do it. ખાવાનું પીવાનું મળી જવાનું. પછી એનામાં અને માલામાં ફરક છે કે નહીં? There is a lot of difference in us, isn't it? Please put your mobiles on silent because then the audience who is serious gets disturbed, yeah? So all those people who have their mobiles which is still on, just put it on silent mode. I don't know my name. So you have to understand your purpose of life. And how will you realize the purpose of it? Let me tell you an experience when I died for some time. Huh? It was 7-8 minutes, I had died and come back. Last time we spoke about it. In that moment, I really wanted to come back in the body because I realized when I was trying to touch the people who were down there, I couldn't touch them. I was screaming, "I'm alive," but nobody was listening. Nobody was listening, yeah? So many times we are so used to the body, we think this body will not die, will not happen, and then when you die, you stay in that mode like this, just the way you were. You feel hungry, you can't eat. You feel thirsty, you can't drink because you can't touch food. You want to wear those nice clothes which were there, you just bought and died, and now you can't wear them. Strange, isn't it? And then you realize, oh my God, with the body I lost it. Now those clothes are not saying you are mine, I will do something for you. તમને કપડા તો આમ નથી કહેતા એ ઘર જઈને તમે બહુ સાફ કરો એ તમને કહે છે ઉતારા છું, I'll come with you, let's go up. Anybody told you like this? Nobody. Did we tell anybody? No. Our body has a purpose to our life. We are not here just for a holiday. We were given the golden opportunity to change ourselves, get out of the habit of the body so that we can go back in the true form of bliss that we are. Now somebody, you go out. You don't go anywhere. You go inside your heart. There is a space which is called Anandamaya Kosh. Many people do not know the truth, where there is a space inside yourself where you shrink back into what you came. It's a very small swarup of the Atma from which you go back into it slowly. You merge with it and you become free. You become what you truly are. And never forget, you are spiritual beings who are given a body so that you can experience human life. You can experience sitting in a church. You can experience drinking tea. How did we happen to be human beings? Do you know? I'll tell you a story of God. Yeah? I had done a session of fifth dimension. Somewhere in India, in olden days, people used to go to Rishikesh and learn stories. So somebody told me a nice story about God. He used to meditate a lot and he met me there in Rishikesh and he told me one nice story which really worked for me. He said that, when God made this world, it was fabulous. Everybody was in the bliss mode of God all the time. Yeah? Everybody was in a very blissful state. But the Anandma chata. But one person's ego suddenly happened and he said, create one for me also. So he came out. When he came out, as the moment he went out, he got lost. And he said, no, now I want to go back home. So he started doing tapasya. He started doing things like this. He started doing yoga. Then all the people inside, all the souls saw, outside something is happening. We want to experience that. We also want to go out. He was working to come back inside, but they were watching and thinking, this is so nice. He wants to do yoga. He is doing all these movements. He stands for 500 years. We also want to do this. We also all came out like this. And then what happened? We are all lost people. We became a huge group of lost people, and what are we trying to do? We really want to understand the purpose of a true existence. All the choices that you make in today's world are based on, if your neighbor has done it, you must do it. If somebody has gone for a holiday, I must go there. If somebody has got this car, money bhi levi joiye. All the choices, ask yourself, all your choices are based on what? There should be only one purpose when you make a choice. That I want to do good to myself. How many of you feel guilty when you look after yourself in your family? Yes. That's the eternal truth. 90% of the women feel very guilty when they look after themselves because Derani Jethani gets both selfish. Isn't it true? The moment it comes to look after yourself, 1 hour from 24 hours if a lady takes to go for her yoga class or she has to do something nice to herself, meditation karwani chahiye, I want to de-stress, I want to go for detoxification, then you are made to feel, you're so selfish, you're all working and you're going. And all the women feel guilty. In your youth, you must have all had this problem. And all that guilt became so, it made you so self-sacrificing that you gave up looking after yourself. Now, whenever you choose something, even a cup of tea, you should be careful. What am I drinking? Why? I tell you. When you die, you become an automatic machine. So, whenever you die, you become an automatic machine. Yeah? You are used to getting up in the morning, going to the toilet, then brushing your teeth, and then reading a newspaper, chai kya che. Supposing you die in the night, you will do the same things again and again for number of years because you are a slave of that automatic process of your body. You will become a slave. Can you imagine? So what should we do? We should change our habits. Tamari kursi hai na, to you will say, when you have a dining table, everybody say, I'll sit in my chair. Automatically you will go and sit in that chair. So when we die also, why people don't go, you know this? Because they want to sit on that chair again. In the dining table, hamari kursi chair. Yes or no? Yes. I want you to get out of this pattern and realize. So I'm writing a book in which I wrote few lines. I always write. And it's a beautiful line. You always develop a beautiful relationship with your body and your soul. Alignment, yeah? You should get it for you. You can relax, please. You can relax, yeah? So you should always have a beautiful relationship between your body and your soul. Right? There are so many times when your mind is telling you, don't do this. But you will not listen. You will listen to something somebody else said, and you make a choice, isn't it? It goes wrong. Why? Because you didn't listen to your inner intelligence. Now the inner intelligence will come once, twice, thrice, then fourth time you say, forget it. Every time I tell her, she never listens. Now it stops answering. Now you have to call 10 more people to ask. Did you know how you stop acting intellectually? Because you don't trust yourself. Mane lagyu maru man mein kidu ase. Aa to kehto j rahe. It's always talking. It does chit chat all the time. So you cannot find out what is the difference between mind and soul. For decision making, what is important? Yes, what your soul tells you, because it has taken so many births and life that it knows what is right and wrong, and you can choose from that. The second thing that doesn't allow us to make the right choice is our ego. Sometimes you can't afford something, but you buy because status changing. That status will not allow you to do, and then you suffer. Do you really think you've come here to suffer? Suffering is a choice, you know this. So many times we've made choices because it's a status. Today we are going to do little practice, and I will take you into a nice kosha of yours. Into that kosha of yours, I'm going to take you deep inside, and I will show you. You know cardamom, elaichi?
Yeah.
You know when does it smell nice? When you crush it. Dalchini, cinnamon, when does it smell nice? Crush it. Mehendi have it? When you crush it, it works. Everybody agrees with me? Close. So unless and until you will crush yourself, garam masala saru jo to sekvu pade ne gas upar jara. You have to do that, no? But then masi ne samjhai chhe ne. On the tavo you have to do it, roast it a little, then you grind it a little, and then you use it. To maja aave the badane. Everybody knows this experience is very popular.
Yes.
Similarly, when you have a body, it is come with a task. If you want to operate from that source of your intelligence, then you have to go deep inside yourself, and from that space you ask, what should I do about this? What should I do? Where should I do this or should I not? Don't ask people, ask yourself. You know why? It will work. That is your truth. Operate from the space of truth. Today I will only do that. I will also sacrifice you a little, crush you a little, smell a little, it's nice. Tamne maja aavse. I'll give you a direct experience, yeah? But you don't forget this analogy. Anything nice you want to really experience this, then you have to process it nicely. Milk માંથી તમને ઘી જોઈએ તો શું કરો? પેલી દહીં બનાવો, then you take the malai off, and then you do that process, and then you cook it for long, then you get the ghee. But ghee to was there in the milk, but didn't you process it? બહારની ચીજ ખાવાની એને you did so much of process for that yourself. Then for yourself, you are so important. For your family, for your own existence, you are so important. You should take a lot of time for yourself so that you make the right decisions. And I will teach you today how to make the right decision, from which space to operate. Is everybody with me? Boring check?
How the gold turns into diamond.
Yeah, exactly. And even gold. You just can't wear gold unless you make some jewelry out of it, isn't it? So let's make nice jewelry out of you. Yeah? Everybody will stand. Because I can see some people were yawning. Nice. So one time check. Yeah. You will do nothing. You will just stand and put your arms up. Both arms. I have a mic side. Very good. Now just bring them down. Now sit down. Stand up. Put your hands up. 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 Sit down. Stop. मजा आई कि नहीं? ऊपर तब्बे से couch. You know, in a slow process, I am taking you in that space which will give you the rightest answer of the word. Now if you are with me, now you will do the same exercise with my instructions. You will not get up till I tell you. You will only put your hands down when I tell you. You will only sit again when I tell you. And then you see the difference, huh? Because I am the one who is doing the process. हमें पता लवंग, इलायची, सुगंध वाला. Ready everybody? एकदम space out, okay? You're ready to do that. Your core strength should show your posture. जरा enthusiasm देखा भी चाहिए मोड़ा दिया. You should be ready. I am doing something good. Very good. Stand up. Inhale and take both arms up. मोटी सांस ने आवाज नहीं आती. Breathe. I can't hear you still. I can't hear you louder. Very good. Exhale and only bring hands down. Sit down and exhale again. Inhale. Sit where you are. Inhale. Exhale and stand up. Take your arms up. Inhale up. Exhale. Bring the hands down. Inhale. Sit down. Again. Exhale. Take your arms up. Inhale. Exhale. I didn't ask to sit down. Sit down. Again. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. सांस की आवाज आनी चाहिए. Ready? Exhale. Inhale. 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 ताकि क्या बता? अभी बेसिक. Give a big hand to yourself. I am getting ready to give you an experience, whom to ask, where to go, even if you're choosing the simplest thing in your life. If you're choosing the simplest thing in your life, I'm going to teach you from where to choose. Kare, you are eating something and you know it's not doing right. Mani blood pressure check but maza aa rahi. So we eat, mama gadi vastu and everything, yeah. Sometimes we know that we are not supposed to eat this. Mani heart problem che, mani cholesterol che. But then aaj to maza aave so we eat, isn't it? But there is something in your voice which will caution you and tell you all the time, don't do this. I am not enjoying. Who is this person telling you this? It's your soul which is saying, मारे पास बॉडी छे हूँ कहीं काम करवा आवी छूँ तो अभी खाओ ने and you're spoiling your body. I want this body to do something very important, but it's not happening because you are diverted. You're lost, and I'm trying to get you back. I'm also trying to get you back with this exercise. If you are with me today, we will go slowly into that space. Try and understand. Tamari bhi sugandh avse. You are all as pure souls as every other sage in the world. You all have that power, only we have to get there today. Just close your eyes for a minute. Just close your eyes for a minute. Take a nice, slow, deep breath inside your body. And slowly exhale and ask yourself, what is it that I need to know about myself? What have I come to do on this earth? What have we come to do on this earth? And gently open your eyes. How many of you felt that I don't want to open my eyes, I want to stay with eyes closed? That means you like yourself. The rest of you are still having doubts. That sugar will come along. So we'll do more exercise, yeah? Let's stand again. Simple exercise. You will all take your hands out. You will take your hands out. Watch this, yeah? Breathe. Breathe in your body, in the back body, behind your heart. Breathe, suck the belly in. Inhale and to your right, turn, everybody turn to your right. Turn to your right, everybody. Do not let the legs go. Breathe. Now just breathe. Breathe. Look at your hands. Look at your hands. Now breathe. Till you feel little uncomfortable, you must breathe. Yes, breathe. Keep on breathing in this posture. Very good. Now slowly turn to the other side. Slowly turn to the other side. If somebody says, I don't have time for this, then you cannot have it. Breathe. Breathe. Look at your hands. Your legs must stay there only. Legs should not move. Don't turn your hips. Just breathe. Breathe and look at your hands. Keep breathing deeply. Again, go to the right. Turn to the right. Squeeze. Can you feel it in your abdomen, everybody? In the sides. Breathe. 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 Badi storage kaadu chutamari. Yes. Breathe. Again, turn to the left. Breathe. Very good. Excellent. Breathe, everybody. Quickly. Now go fast. Right. Go right. Exhale. Inhale. Come center. Go left. Inhale. Come center. Right and left. Right and left. Exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale. And stop and sit and close your eyes. Tap your arms like this if you feel that. If you're tired, tap your arms. Just take a nice deep breath. Yeah, I'm giving you direct experience. You will think this class is so simple, like PD teacher's class. Now you just close your eyes and take a nice deep breath inside and just see the areas which are affected by this exercise. Yoga doesn't mean Surya Namaskar. Yoga doesn't mean that warrior pose. Yoga means Tamari Atma Sate Tamaro Milan is very necessary. That is yoga. If you can close your eyes, means you trust yourself. If you cannot, means you still have to work harder. Take a nice deep breath. Open your eyes. You can hear me now? How did you feel? Still better? Exercise was hard? Masi, exercise hard hati? Exercise difficult hati?
English not difficult not exercise.
How many of you felt exercise was hard? Easy hati ne? So, how many times do we do it at home? We always say, no, everything is hard. Maro pag dukhe, maro haath dukhe, mani arm thai. This is hard exercise? No. Now I'll teach you even more easy exercise so that to reach there, you will not have to jump from somewhere. You don't have to hurt your knees. You don't have to leave your wheelchair also. You can do it, if those who are tired can do it on the chair itself. Yeah? Simple exercise. Just take your arms up. Keep sitting. Don't have to do anything. Now stick your glutes in the chair. You stick your buttocks in the chair and slowly turn to the right and breathe. Now you just let the body fall and breathe, everybody. Take nice deep breaths. Close your eyes in this position and take a nice deep breath, everybody. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Inhale and exhale. Now go to the other side. Breathe. Keep your body tall. Press your buttocks into the chair and stretch your body. Breathe. Breathe. Breathe, everybody. And slowly come back. Go to the right. Breathe. Take a nice deep breath. Yes. Very nice deep breath. Breathe. Stretch it and breathe it. Press your buttocks in the chair and go to the other side. Breathe. Take nice deep breaths inside. Beautiful. And slowly go to the other side. Last time. Right. Breathe. Breathe. And last time. Left. Go left and breathe. Take nice deep breaths. And come back. And gently take the hands down. Tap your shoulders. Tell your body, you did a good job, yeah? I didn't have to ask anybody. Did you have to ask anybody? No. Isn't it? You are independent soul. You have power to make your own decisions. Just by asking somebody else, Usu Karu, you have given your power away. You want to do that? Each time you ask somebody what to do in your situation, with your money, with your body, you're asking somebody else, you're giving away your power and saying, use it. Ufuski tejas. Isn't it? Whenever you give your control to somebody else, slowly, we have given our control to other people. by asking their do you know that if a president or a prime minister makes a speech or an interview, as soon as he gets down the stage, he'll ask the reporter, is it good? Nice? Maja aayi ne? Is it perfect? Everybody does that. Because we always want somebody else to tell us, this I'm telling you from my experience, yeah? That we want somebody else to tell us, how are we? Till today, you have never defined you as you. It was always somebody else who defined you. And you have lived in that condition till now. And I'm going to teach you still more to go deeper. Roz Sekavano, how many exercises did we do? Only 2. One was just standing up, down. And this one, isn't it? And the third one, how much time did it take? When you do without the lecture, it must be 3 minutes. તમારી પાસે તમારી ચોઈસ ના 5 મિનિટ છે તો હું 5 જ એક્સરસાઇઝ શીખવીશ તમને. And then I will take you into that space. Are you with me, Masi? You with me? Everybody is with me? Very good. Then stand up again. You do nothing, but you will only take one knee up, then the others, and breathe. One knee up, then the other. Now breathe. Do it with breathing. If you have a knee problem, you don't have to bang your feet. You can't bang your feet. The condition is niche jaao ekdam jor se. Yes. Breathe. Everybody, stand up tall. Breathe. Operate from here. Ayati padu. Yes, you can sit and do it too. But breathe. I should hear you breathe, everybody. Please breathe. Little more up. Little more up. Papa ki awaaz aave che. Nahi aavi જોઈએ. Means you have to be like this. You know why? Because now I'm controlling going down. I'm controlling my whole power, which is in my Manipur chakra. Just try and understand. Space out coming. You can go anywhere and do it. Start. Come on, do it. 20, 19. Breathe. Breathe. Breathe with me. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 12, 11, 10, 10, 9. Up, higher up, higher up. Higher up. 8. પગની આવાજ આવે છે. કંટ્રોલ. જોર જેવી કરવાની છે. જોર જેવી. 10, 9, 8, 8, 8. Smile. 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. Nice. You will give you good food. Yeah, they are going to give you food. You will be nice here. How do you feel? Nice. Just sit down and tap your thighs. Whenever you're gossiping, you tap your thighs. Because the maximum number of time we gossip, we chat, we do all that, isn't it? You keep tapping your body all the time so that you open up your neuro pathways. Your nerves are carrying energy from top to down so that you don't get dementia. Prevention is better than correction, not cure. It is better than correction. Later on, you have to correct so many things, yeah. When you are curing something, 10 વસ્તુ તમને કરે. You will go for one checkup, no. You will find out, અરે બ્લડમાં આ થઈ ગયું. મને આર્થરાઇટિસ છે. Oh my God, I got osteoporosis. You go for one checkup, you find out so many. So what is better? Prevention. A state સુધી જવાનું જ નહીં ને આપણે. It should be your choice to make the 5 minutes of your life very important for you in every 24 hours. Is it too much to ask?
No.
You can even do it sitting like this. How good is that? Nice? I teach you simple Kapalbhati. Why Kapalbhati? Because lot of stored emotions. બહુ આદત થઈ જાય ને હવે 60 years સુધી આદત છે. Now you can't change. It's difficult, yeah, to think like this. So what we do? આજે ક્લાસમાં કરી લેવાનું પછી ઘર જઈને સેમ ઘરે જઈને જવા તો હવે કેમ અજીત છે મારો તો કઈ જાતો નથી આમ yeah I'm here to teach you. I learned what I learned because I practiced it. I'm here on this side of the class today because I practiced it. I did it for myself. I used to be very consistent with my practice. Till the last moment, no, I don't give up on myself. Ever. So many people used to make fun of me, the kind of work I teach and stuff and this, that. I never gave up on myself because from inside I knew this is my path. This is what I am meant for. I am meant to help people and I am here. You should never give up on self. Even 5 minutes you start with, 27, 28, 10, 15, 20. I will make you meditate 15 minutes and you will feel you went out of your body for some time. You want to go there, right? So we'll do one more exercise with Kapalbhati. Everybody knows Kapalbhati, but the expert Chenya. Ranjan, just tell me how much time I have. Huh?
Still you go to the 14 minutes.
Oh, so we have good time, huh? Ranjan Ben is really being nice to us. She's given us 15 minutes extra today. Now you're just going to do a simple exercise. Watch this, okay? You will sit on your chair. Everybody with me? Come in the front of the chair. Press your buttocks in the chair and make your body tall. Press the buttocks in the chair. I repeat. Everybody can hear me till there? Very good. Now you will slowly twist like this and you will do 20 Kapalbhati with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 7, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5. Come on, everybody. Those who cannot do Kapalbhati, just breathe. 5, 4, 4, 3. Buttocks nahi hilna chahiye. Yes. 2, 2, 1. Come back. Just close your eyes. See the difference in the left and the right side of your body. Just close your eyes. See the difference in the left and the right side of your body. Very good. Without opening the eyes, turn to the other side. Press your buttocks in the chair and let's start. Go. 20, 19. Come on, Kapalbhati. 17, 16, 15. Come on, give me more. Do it imandari karo. Tamara mate you have to do it imandari. Yes. Just be honest to yourself. 10, 10. Exhale, exhale, exhale. 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in. Come back, relax. Close your eyes. Now first we will start listening to our soul. Okay? Puchano, how to find out what is my body telling me, what decision to take. First you ask your body, how are you feeling today? Ask yourself, ask your body, how do you feel today? Very nice. Gently open your eyes. Now I am asking you, how do you feel? Be honest, yeah? You bindas talk, but only talk the subject. You bindas talk, tell me, what is your, yes, more.
Lighter.
Yes. How many said lighter? Yeah, when I said see the difference in the left and the right, what was the difference? Lighter. What did you give up? Body mein to gaye nathi baat. Then why was the body lighter? Because we have stored so many emotions, anger, trauma. 20 वर्ष पहले गए थयू ए बंदूपन अंदर हतु. When you exhale, today it comes out. Believe me, that is called trauma. Today trauma is a huge dimension. Yeah, there are a lot of healers healing out there because people have trauma. When you were born, kya thi trauma? You are in trauma. Many people feel you are in trauma from that time. Isn't it funny? We didn't never realize it before. In the olden days, people used to think that something is wrong. But it is trauma. And just by exhaling, you are releasing your all mental disease. Isn't that wonderful? Don't you want to do it more? Can we do it one more time? Can we do 30 Kapalbhati? Yes. The condition is your buttocks should not move. Press the buttocks, make the body tall, and then twist, and then do your Kapalbhati. You get it? So that the heart chakra, you know why the heart becomes narrow and doesn't work well, why you get cholesterol? Because all that you store in your mind, the body manifests as shrinking or fat layers inside the body, and it makes all your passages narrow. That is why blood has to push, blood pressure high, stroke high, all that happens because of that emotional thing. You have one chance today, yeah? Sometimes 1 minute's light can remove 100 years of darkness. 1 second, light on करो, हॉल एकदम अंधारा में चीज, कहीं नहीं देखा. You just put on the light. What happens? The light completely ate away the darkness. You can magnify the good things of your life so that you can rectify. Even now it's not later. If you're in this class, you're really special and lucky. You choose to be here so that I make the right choices in my life. And they should be for my greater good, not only for khawanu, pivanu, not only for that. So much more better, so that I don't fear death. There are so many people. How many of you fear death? How it will be? Yes, I do, yeah, sometimes, because I've been there. We all have it, yeah. We may not talk about it, but it is there in the subconscious mind. That is why we try to save ourselves, no? Why are you healing from everything? Because you want to save yourself. You want to live. You know the body is special, isn't it? That's why you're trying to do this. Now this time we will do it with full imandari. Do it for yourself and see how you feel today. Don't feel guilty. Do your best today. Let's stick our buttocks in the chair. Slowly make the body tall and turn to your right side. And let's do Kapalabhati. Let's go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Smile, smile, smile. Karo. Do it. Or if you can't do it, then breathe. Yes, you can close your eyes and think, I'm removing all my disease, all my pains, all that is blocking my greater health, my greater well-being. I'm releasing it. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Be with me, stay with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Take a nice deep breath. Come back. Just close your eyes and ask your body, how do you feel? If you can listen to your soul now, that you're feeling good, if you can listen to your body, it says, I really feel nice. Aren't you feeling nice? Ask yourself, how do you feel? If nothing else, જે શાંતિ તમે બહાર ખોજો એ તમારા અંતરમાં તમને મળી કે નહીં? Gently open your eyes. The peace that you're looking for out. I'll go to this island. I'll go to Bahamas. મજા આવશે ત્યાં શાંતિ મળશે મને. I'll go to India. મને શાંતિ મળશે. Many people go like this. Yeah, મને શાંતિ મળશે. Shanti is already married to somebody and gone. Because બહારની શાંતિ તો ભાગી જશે. But did you find Shanti inside you just now? Those who didn't find it, forget it. Yeah. Means you're not looking for it. તમે શાંત જ છો. Very nice. But બાકી બધાને મળી કે નહીં? You felt nice to close your eyes? Yeah. You felt like closing your eyes. You trusted yourself to be inside you. You know which is the biggest dilemma? I don't like to be in the body. The body feels like a biggest trap. That is the sign that you're making wrong decisions in your life. When your body becomes your jail and you feel, I'm trapped in this body, then you go to other people's body and ask, what do you think? Should I do this? Learn to take the responsibility, ownership levani tamari. Your breath is yours. It's your universal right to live good, to live healthy, to spend time for yourself, to be inside this body. It's given to you. It's your gift. Yeah, small things will improve your relationship with your body. Then now, whenever you are doing something, the body will say, no, this is bad for me. I'll not let you eat. Then tarat is tamari itlu khajo, tabiyat kharab thase, and then you will not eat. Actually, the body is trying to tell you something. I'm trying to do good to you. I threw it out. Nice, no? If the body does this to us. So now we'll do the other side like this. Everybody is with me? Boring che?
No.
So we have still time. Ready? Other side. No, the first condition was you have to stick the buttocks in the seat. Stick it. Make the body tall. Twist from the center of the body. Now exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, exhale, exhale. 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. Give me your best. Throw out the trauma from your body. Throw out your past Throw out the mistakes, your addictions, your conditioning, all that was blocking you. Throw it out today and become free of the jail. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Smile, smile, smile. 10, 9, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. Take a deep breath in. Come back. Exhale. Please close your eyes again. That what you're looking for outside the body and becoming tired, you can find it inside and rejuvenate yourself. આ તમારા મનની શાંતિ છે, and you have the right to be here. Just smile for yourself inside, an inner smile for your body. કેટલા દિવસ થયા you have not done that to yourself. Do you know why we become old? Because we never smile for ourselves. બીજા બધાને જોઈને કેમ છો તરત જ મિરર જોયું, કોઈ આવ્યો, oh, how are you? We don't deserve our own smile. How many, I know so many people, the moment they look at the mirror, they are only finding faults. You never smile for yourself. I, by mistake also, if I see a mirror, I look, Ariva, you're looking good, very nice. Somebody tells us also, we are looking, we have not learned to even take compliments. Smile for yourself, because the 72 muscles of your face are constantly telling the brain, chugli kare che andar. Raji nathi, she's very unhappy, she's miserable. Okay, let's go old. Let's finish faster. Then your cells will start dying, because the communication of your inner language goes into the cells. The cells tell the brain, she's not happy. Now the brain will constantly give a hormone which says, let's finish her faster. If you can't finish the body, okay, let her make her get a stroke. Okay, then give her some, all the pathways of finishing this body will open up that. Why? Because it says, ini mara mate appreciation nathi. She doesn't have appreciation for me. So many times, I have to tell people only to release this part of the body. They don't even release this. They are always like this. Permanent line chahiye. How does it look? You look at yourself. Have you ever really smiled at yourself and said, I'm good? You've never said that. Today I'm going to teach you to smile. Yeah? So we'll do one very nice exercise. Laughter kare to chine bataya. So you will look at each other and smile. Look at each other. Actually smile. Give yourself a big hand. Clap. All your strength for yourself. So many of you who are on wheelchair, who can't do anything, the least thing that you can do, or the best thing that you can do for yourself is just smile. 72 muscles thase tumhara, baki bija na the chalse. Because from here, the brain gets the message, એ રાજી છે કે નહીં રાજી, એને જીવાનું છે કે મરવાનું છે. મેસેજ આમ જાય બ્રેનમાં કે એને ખતમ કરવાનો કે we should keep her happy. So the moment you don't smile and you're like this, શું કરે છે, what is happening here, now the brain says, too much to handle, એને ખતમ જ કરી. Do you want to be in that space of your body? No. So what should we do? But the exercise, smile karwani. A lot of people eat and then we have to run extra 5 miles today. Body says, "Whosu kairu? What did I do to deserve this punishment? My muscles will dissolve. I'm in pain. You ate and you're punishing me." Isn't it? We want to punish the body after that. That one day you'll eat, then one day you'll fast completely, not eat. No, body gets તમારા hormones, they are confused. The pancreas, which have to secrete insulin, they are very confused. હું શું કરું? ક્યારે ખાય છે, ક્યારે બધું ખાય છે, ક્યારે ડાન્સ કરે. So it doesn't know what to do. So it says, જવા દે ને મરવા દો. I won't pay. I'm trying to tell you in how many ways your body is only responding to what you do to it. Because you're ignorant, you're like a child, you don't know it. આપણે કોઈ શીખવતું નથી. Mothers and parents don't teach us this, isn't it? So what should we do? We should learn to know our body better. રોજ આંખ બંધ કરીને પૂછવાનું બહેને, આજે તને શું મેસેજ મળ્યો મને તો બતાવ. Tell me at least, થોડી ચૂલી મને બી કર. And you will see that your brain tells you lot of things. It tells you we are aging faster, do something, we need help, we need more time. But the body is not, you'll get wrinkles quickly, your hormones will give up, all that will happen, healing will stop happening in the body. And then you will say, no, that is because I removed my uterus, that is why it is like this. Is it like this because you removed the uterus? Because you had this surgery? And now you were smiling without anything. મજા આવે કે નહીં માસી? સ્માઇલ કરવાની મજા આવે છે ને? Now we'll do one more exercise, yeah? Everybody get it. Everybody get it. Those who can get it. Simple exercise, yeah? You're going to do. Nothing else, but you will just shift right, push the weight right, push the weight left, push the weight right, push the weight left. Now forward and back. Come on, breathe. Breathe with it. You know, you push exactly to the right with your hand now. Push it down. Like this. Push. 1, exhale. 2, exhale. 3, exhale. 4, exhale. 1 and back. 2 and back. 3, inhale, exhale. Come on, breathe. And 4. Again, now let's go. Push, push down right. Push down left. Push down right. Something is happening here. Imandarity, aaj baddu, you have to change yourself. You have to become 20 years younger from here, and you will stand strong. You will make your own decisions from this moment onward. Breathe into this. When you breathe, you're giving power to your intention. Breathe. 5, 6, very good. Next exercise, forward and back. Forward and back. Breathe and relax. Just sit on your chair. Again, close your eyes. Ask your body again. Now we are building up a new habit. No, we are training. Even we bring dogs, we train them. Yeah, we bring dogs, big cats. We train them. We don't train our minds. Chutto padelu che. But we are not training it. And then they say we are lost. Then I have to ask somebody, isn't it? Because I'm lost. Close your eyes and ask your body, how did this exercise feel? Ask yourself, how did this body feel? Take nice deep breaths. Be nice to your body and ask yourself, क्यों लागी तने? You're nice, you're happy, and gently open your eyes. હવે મને બતાવો કેવું લાગ્યું તમને? Body needs like this, no? Didn't you feel nice?
Yes.
You have the right to feel nice. That is why you were given the body so that you process it. Imagine the lung says, "Mani to vaas is nahi aati." A cinnamon stick saying, "I can't smell. There's nothing in me." But then somebody who grinds it, yeah, who will do that, and it is nice sugandha, right? That means we also have to do little practice to get the best out of our bodies. We were not meant to age the way we aged. We aged because we allowed ourselves to age. Isn't it? Now I'm going to teach you the best exercise and I'm going to take you there. Now you are ready. Everybody is ready to make your own decision. You will become soulfully independent. તમે આ જગતમાં કઈ બી વસ્તુથી ફ્રી થઈ જાઓ પણ unless and until you're not free inside your mind, મનનો બંધન ના છૂટે ત્યાં સુધી તમારે you'll be in a jail only. Today I'm going to take you out of that jail. You have to do nothing, only listen to me. Those who trust me will close their eyes and do this. હું તમારા પર્સ લઈને નથી ભાગી જવાનું. Please, those who think I'll take your purse, don't get worried, yeah? You please close your eyes and do this ईमानदारी. Just sit comfortably, back straight કરીને Find the right position for your body so that when I take you there, your body should not be uncomfortable. Yeah, close your eyes. Just a simple thing you have to do. Follow my instructions. Take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. Keep your eyes closed. Take a small pause, and now you will breathe in with loads of love for your body, with lot of compassion for your body. Breathe in. Out. 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 Relax. Just keep your eyes closed. There is loads of energy built up inside you right now. Loads of energy has built up inside now. Use it to heal yourself, to go deeper into yourself, and just keep on focusing in the natural flow of your breath. Just keep watching the natural flow of your breath and gently focus in the center of your eyebrows. Relax your eyebrows. Relax your eyes. Relax your eyelids, your eyeballs. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your jaws. Relax your chin. Relax your neck and the back of the neck. Relax your shoulders. Relax your whole spine. Relax your lower back. Relax your navel region. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your toes. Relax your whole face again and again, and only do an inner smile only for your inner self. Give a beautiful smile for your inner self, only exclusively for you, and repeat the mantra just for your body, for your soul. I really, really love you. Please tell your body, your knees, your hands, your legs, your body has served you so much. Tell your body, I really, really love you. And repeat this mantra with true love. And see, everything in the body is going away. Your blood pressure, your arthritis, your heart problems, any kind of disease is leaving the body because it cannot stand self-love. Keep on repeating, I really love you so much, my dear hands. I love you so much, my beautiful legs. I love you so much, my knees. I love you so much, my beautiful heart. I love my abdomen, my chest. I love my neck. I love my bones. I love my muscles. I love my skin. I love my nervous system. I love my brain. I love myself. Keep telling yourself, I love you. And if any part of your body is in pain or has a problem, keep on telling it with love. I love you. I love you. I love you. And see how beautiful the body feels. So special. We all have the power to transform our life. And we are here for a greatest purpose of universal well-being. We have come here to do something great. Just allow yourself to do that. Just allow yourself to be in that space. Be nice to yourself. If you can't do anything, then just take loving breaths into your body. Just keep saying thank you to your hands and legs. They have done so much for you. They have performed so much for you. Say thank you to your skin, to your spine. Say thank you to all your joints. Say thank you to every hair follicle inside the head. Say thank you to your brain. Such a powerful thing. And then the final thing that you tell yourself, I trust my inner self. I trust my inner voice. I trust my inner instinct. I trust what my soul tells me. I allow myself to be in the frequency of highest well-being, in that which is my highest well-being. I allow myself to be there. Just go deeper and deeper and deeper into this frequency and allow yourself to thank yourself. Thank all your hormones. Thank your intestines. Thank your digestive system. Thank your liver, your pancreas. Thank your whole body inch by inch. And keep on saying it with love. I really love you and I care about you. I really love you and I care about you. Just go deeper and deeper and deeper into your body. Enjoy in that source which is your guide. Tamaro Ram, Tamara Antarma છે. Bas allow yourself to be there inside you. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavana Sita Ram Sita Ram Jai Sita Ram सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम. Allow yourself to become what you really are. We are spiritual beings in this human experience. Respect, love, and honor your inner being, your body, and allow yourself to become free from the bondage of your mind and make the right choices in life. Gently rub your palms and rub them on your face and your whole body. And rub them on your whole body. Do it with love. Say nice things. I love you. I love you. And just believe me, the greatest power in this, the body can happen only when you pay attention. Did you not find it was peaceful for you? It was nice. God works in you as you, yeah? There is no identity. No other identity outside. When you die, no, you tamne Bhagwan na dekhaya. This I'm telling you because I've died and come back. You will only see you. There is no God out there. He's here right now inside. And if you don't find it now, you will never find it after dying. I have Manoj Bhai, who specially come from India for this program because I was having this program. He did these dates. 24 years, I think he's been learning from me. Yeah? So he's here today and he wants to share his experience. Please be quiet and listen. Yeah? Like you were so nice. I really thank you. You were very good and quiet. Don't clap here. Yeah, we have Manoj. You stand here so you can see.
Jai Shri Krishna. Gujarati.
No, you say it in English.
So from the last 24 years I am. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we can hear you. It's fine.
Hello? Yeah, now I'm clear? Everybody can hear? So from the last 24 years I am associated with Arjit. She is my guru, she is my sister, she is my mentor, everything. Hello? Acha. Hello? So my transformation, everything became with her. She taught me everything from inner transformation to outer. And it's been a very long journey. And I'm still learning, that's why I'm here. So whatever she teaches, I try to implement in my life, and I've really come to a point of my life where I've changed like anything. I had all issues like anger, ego, everything. And I was a hardcore non-vegetarian. So when associating with her, I became purely veg. I'm doing a business of hotel which is also purely veg. Earlier I have a bar, I had a wine shop, so I left everything. My life changed in every aspect of my life, my spiritual aspect, my health aspect, my relationship aspect, and my professional aspect also. And I'm doing really great in every aspect of my life. I've got a beautiful wife, a beautiful daughter who is sitting just behind you. They are also done very well. She is also a professional yoga teacher. My daughter has also turned a very professional yoga teacher. So my family is really doing good, all because of her, because she has given us that grace, that strength to come up in life, to handle situations, to do everything, which has to be done. Otherwise, I was not here today. I only came here just for a class because I also wanted to be in a bigger class like her. I used to listen to her from India whenever the class was going on in London or UK and everything. Only one thing is that I will give you the message, just implement everything what she says and see how your life changes the way it changed my life. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. And thank you to all of you. I really hope you enjoyed, and I really like coming to this session. Everybody does so well, believe me. I really, really thank you, Lord, for allowing me to share. Thank you so much.
I hope બધાને મજા આવી હશે. બધાને powerful થઈ ગયું? બરાબર powerful? Thank you, Ajitji. Just accept this little token from us for appreciation. We hope to see you, Ajitji, again. Next time, yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
And I also thank Jyotsna Ben. She wanted me to share, every time she wants me to share with everybody. So she makes that effort out of the way so that I come here. Yeah? She every time does this effort. So really big thanks to her. Yeah. And we will all of you there. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Jyotsna. Sorry, I forgot you.